What if your smartphone turned you into a concert photographer, even from the back row? Today, we're looking at the Vivo V70 out here. This video is sponsored by the Vivo V70 series. The Vivo V70 and the V70 FE, two amazing devices just launched in South Africa, which are bringing AI and excellent photo and camera quality to your hands. Don't forget to check them out, linked in the description below, and pick yours up now. So this is the Vivo V70, and it was officially launched in 2026, priced at 22,999 rands here in South Africa. Honestly, it's trying to punch way above its weight. Diving straight into some of the key specs. So starting off with the display, you get a 6.59-inch 1.5K OLED panel, 120Hz refresh rate, and a peak brightness up to 5,000 nits, meaning even bright Durban daylight sunlight, this works excellently. In terms of its build quality, it has aerospace grade aluminium or as a frame and ultra thin bezels, plus a real premium feel with IP68 and IP69 water and dust resistance. In terms of its weight, it's ultra lightweight and comfortable, easy for one-hand use when you're shooting content. In terms of its operating system, you're running OriginOS 6 packed with AI features, smoother animations, and better multitasking. The processor, it's paired with a powerful chipset and vapor chamber cooling. This is built for sustained performance, whether you're gaming or editing. In terms of its storage, it has fast UFS 4.1 storage and LPDDR5X RAM. So opening apps are quick and multitasking seems seamless. Network, it has strong 5G connectivity with improved signal performance, which is perfect for busy areas. And obviously it supports dual bandwidth Wi-Fi, Bluetooth, and enhanced antenna design for better signal penetration. Now, when it comes to the battery, that's where things get crazy. This is a 6,500 mAh battery with a 90-watt fast charger. And this can easily get you through a full day and then some. In terms of the camera, it has a 50 megapixel ZEISS main camera with a 50 megapixel telephoto with a periscope, zoom, and an 8 megapixel ultra wide. The selfie camera is also a 50 megapixel main. In terms of its AI, it has AI stage mode and AI magic weather with AI noise eraser as well. It has an ultrasonic fingerprint sensor and up to 6 years worth of security updates with this device. So let's get out testing. So who is this phone actually for? Honestly, content creators, travelers, people who love taking photos, especially at concerts, events, and even nightlife. If you're someone who's always at gigs, festivals, or even just shooting social media content, this phone is clearly designed with you in mind. And at 22,999 rands, it sits right in that premium mid-range space. So this is where the Vivo V70 really shines, the camera. So when it comes to the camera specs, it has a 50 megapixel ZEISS main, which is a Sony sensor. It has a 50 megapixel ZEISS telephoto, which is a periscope of 10 times zoom. And it has an 8 megapixel ultra wide. The front camera is also an 50 megapixel front camera. And when it comes to the camera test, right, here we can take a look at the 10 times zoom. You get insane clarity even from far away. When it comes to the portrait test, right, the ZEISS portrait modes, especially in an 85mm, gives you that DSLR style look. When it comes to the video test, 4K 60, smooth, detailed, perfect for content creation, perfect for capturing those memories. With the audio, you have the AI audio eraser that cleans up background noise, which is great for vlogging. Other AI features include AI magic weather. You can literally change the sky in your photos. That's completely wild. Now, when it comes down to the pros and cons with the V70,
It has an excellent camera system, especially the telephoto. It also has a massive battery life. It has a premium design and durability and is both bright and smooth with its display. It also has strong AI features. Now, when it comes down to the cons, the price is almost creeping into flagship level territory, and I've seen comments like this around. Some of the AI features may be region limited, and the ultra-wide camera isn't the strongest, let's put it like that. When it comes down to my personal opinions, this is probably one of the most interesting phones Vivo has ever released, especially if you care about photography. It's not trying to compete with gaming phones, it's trying to dominate content creation.
If you're someone that lives on Instagram, TikTok, or YouTube, this phone makes a whole lot of sense. It's powerful, creative, and honestly, a bit underestimated. So yeah guys, that brings us to the end. If you enjoyed this video, you can let me know. You can like, rating video. If you aren't already subscribed, make sure you subscribe so you don't miss on any of our future videos. This video is sponsored by Vivo South Africa. So make sure you check out the Vivo V70 and the V70 FE. And there is a link in the description for you to pick up this device. The thoughts and opinions expressed in this video are that of TechScene and have not been influenced in any way, shape, or form. Guys, thank you very much for watching. My name is Prashant and I will see you in the next video.